family, what's up guys? Shoot a vlog for you today, isn't it?
Yeah, we just shut up.
Daddy, you sure you know I'm going on back?
You sit down with it, you're gonna back. You're not the
Hey.
for that, you know.
Woman love drive my front seat there, you know.
Come now, come in, jump in now. Come away, you know.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Christine.
Some say that some say come that way.
Oh, you said can't move down. I'm not so tall, baby. Now for the size of daddy.
Jaja.
A van you want, you know, not a BMW, van.
You see, I came for the Clarendon. Clarendon, you came on.
No, Glengarth.
Glengarth road trip. Stay tuned,
Where's
guys.
that job there? When you go Kingston Town, where?
Glengarth when you go Stony Hill.
Tell you about them taxi boys, man. Bad Civic coming up. But bim bim, crown. I see you under feet. I see you. This is like a machine right there, you know. Machine, easy, chop city.
Come down for the stop and see me find the man now, my car. Yeah? That's why I'm going and just order with pan with.
Could I do that? Yeah, man. Could I do that is? But him definitely there at the hospital.
Yeah, man, in the hospital.
So, what you saying? I can't wait. Where am I going? Him not going to go nowhere. Him I expect you today? Or somebody make him
should have come out. But when Mr. call him, I just come outside and wait time outside and I just pick up and gone.
Okay. Alright. So them discharge him already
Like
and...
yesterday if you come out. But I never go for yesterday. When they come at evening, I know on night business, you understand?
Anything, man. When you reach somewhere where you can pull over and shout him.
Sit the number here.
God damn. This shit nice. This shit nice. Guys, hear that echo, yeah. I know say I mean charge you in here, Ricky. Big up yourself, Ricky. Whatever you ever so nice, my G.
The policeman they give me the ticket for 2,500.
I saw them police are stay, man.
But the person that beside never and give me a ticket for 2,500 and seatbelt at 500. I'm that. Just dip and rush. You know what kind of rush in the pants up?
So yeah guys, I'll show you a vlog. Comment in the comment section if you don't know where in Jamaica is this. Fireman! John Star, I'm see over right here, so It's like what is going on? See over right here, so I remember my two cousins them like, yo. Trying to start. I need to do all a story time for my two cousins them, you know, cause I don't understand all. No! Is it like the first one, I think, I don't know. Basically the second one, guys, got two brother them, you know. You see me? Two brother them, and the first one, somebody stabbed him in his neck. The second one, I'm not sure up to this day what happened, but like me actually the last person who talked to him before him drop out, is it? Like it's still a Maxfield. I visit him from Greater Portmore, talk to him, and then I move it. Is it the people ever support the thing I did? So you know, say yo, I have to do it for your vlog. But yeah guys, so I talk to him good and everything, tell him and say yo brother, I just buy a car and thing, and I think him did I do mechanic. I mean say yo, I want you come look on the car, you know, and he must say, yeah man, don't worry yourself man, Russian. I gotta get better, everything alright. And get a call from my uncle the following morning, say, oh, your dog drop out, a shade even know. Shade even know, but I say it goes still, most I know why. Most I know why, is it? So yeah guys, we're up on a little road trip. General come wake me up out of my bed. Is it? I say yo, we are touch road, you know. I wish part we are got Glengarth, how that then? You don't know what we say, oh, good favors, good Samaritan. So I go, so yeah guys, I do a good Samaritan job today. I go pick up somebody and carry them, go home and thing. So you know that go guys. They do it for the vlog. Guys, no one found and know them place here, you know. I mean, no one found and know them place here. Yeah man. Hospital back gate this. Oh, go on. You see, you start it and I look on it like you say, oh. Say, guys, mass there, man. Don't worry yourself. Mass there, is it? The building over there, so which building?
Jubilee.
So for
Jubilee, how your father there?
Eh? But how him play a Jubilee? Him did pregnant? Or no pregnant people alone go Jubilee.
So the father get a contract over Jubilee.
Man. Bad market. So guys, I go pick up the elder, you know, something wrong with him foot. I think something wrong with him foot and something supposed to wrong with him hand. So we help out people around here, man. So guys, we just pick up all and thing.
One let them wait on the wheelchair.
You know how long without you wait for you, no?
You know, come in the field.
Long time out here wait. Good morning, Mel. My name is Joel.
Morning, sir.
Yeah. No, sir, I'm not a doctor yet.
Doctor Akram. What the doctor name? Bush doctor.
All type of doctor. So we say, what we are going now? We got Glengarth, alright. So guys, stay tuned for the journey to Glengarth. We are leaving Machine! I stick up to the car, sir.
XT.
So vlog land, see dream. I two machine them in daddy. Like them about for race.
Well, look on the color them to now.
That is it.
Almost the same. I see no, I want to blue and like this a dark.
Down here darker. Down here almost like a black. Down here actually blue. Last time I come up here, so I come put up a sign. I supposed to run here so to, you know. See it there?
Where then?
See the sign there, the world net sign there over there. You can drive at them place there. You have to know if you drive at them place there.
And first you come on here, sir?
No man, but you know the corner them stay already. If you don't know what you're doing, no, man, you get dash, you know.
The senior, me about the senior.
Wait, hold on there, daddy. You want to say one man of 40 had picnic?
Yeah, no, I know 20, 21. I know about 40.
I know about that.
Me know 41.
Me
Me know
tell you.
21, me know.
First me I hear this.
I just said gone over it.
You can know about 40.
Yeah.
And you come to the Jamaica woman, you know.
And if I have sister and go up on the up the where I live near with them in the north.
So you say you have Indian sister.
Up a church road.
You have Indian sister.
Yeah, that guy is one man in a Jamaica, 40 had picnic.
I must have that. None of that.
No, sir. Guys, see what is beautiful, like this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Guys, welcome to Jamaica.
come no man.
Yeah, body. Put the hand round the other way. Yeah.
Don't care if they clean it personally. Sleep on the bed now. On the bed. I'll go fin things then.
Daddy, if you be careful, we are going to clean it up.
I take a tour. Hold on, time on. Carry this. I go away now. I don't know where you now.
You're funny, you know, Daddy. You're like, if you want to carry, I'm going to clean up the carry it up.
Show them from there. Take out the pieces, a piece.
Alright guys, so just not too long drop off the elder, you see me? One piece of drama too, you see me? So God knows like, yo, me I can make the man defecate in him car. But guys, you know as I'm always I say I've been through a lot. Good Samaritan help me, so nothing wrong for help back somebody, you see me? Guys, legitly guys, don't bash me, him there as witness. But I'm there for assist this elder a while ago for take off him clothes so him could have defecate. You see, that's how clean and that's how good my heart is. You see me? But anyways, guys, dip on my way. We'll go back in a Kingston. Right? You know it guy already. Your boy RJD out here in the street. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. Spicy family, what's up there, Bucky? You see me? Which part where I come from? I will drop him off. No, we'll drop Glengarth. We leave Glengarth, if I say it pronounce. Bim bim. We'll leave Glengarth, then we'll come and do any park. We'll play some Ludi. And now we're going New Kingston. Guys, beer water up on the road. Beer water, I don't know. Beer water. I'm sure I see a bimmer behind the car. I'm sure you smell bimmer. Jesus Christ, man. I'm not asking, brother, I smell them, you know? I shouldn't even know I smell them. Bimmer, God, no worry, man. In due time, man. I must own my dream bimmer. Guys, guess what's my dream bimmer in the comment section? Hey, the van is nice, you know? Bob! You that in my friend? Yeah, man, I smell the bimmer here forward. See here? Alright. Yeah, then actually two of them. Alright, so one here and so one there over there, sir. Yo! Again, I want to check out Youngster Inc. Is it? Check out Youngster Inc. And I'm going to check out the bad Mazda here. You see me?
You know, I'm going to buy a Mazda. Just the name in the line.
Yo, let me tell you this, I have bad influence when it comes on to street racing. Yeah, you don't follow me. Try out that little car for race the little AD wagon here. Shaky. Yeah! Yo, no watch a race here, you know. Golf against the bimmer in a race, man. The Golf a deal with the road they do. Easy Golf. Bimmer play with the road, man. Guys, yo, my just not too long come off the road. You see me? Phone did dead. I did want to try to catch some more footage of the Golf and the Bimmer. But as almost my phone did dead, you see me? Be a breeze same way in the rain not fall low, but a be a breeze, you see me? But yeah guys, as you can see today, you see me and my good elder brethren, Mr. Garden, big up yourself. We help out on a theme. I'm not sure if it's relative or friend, but basically him did have an accident. He did operate a backhoe and it turned over and dropped. and drop on him and chop off him on in a brother Jano. I just imagine that brother, chop off him and clean, not even like cut it and it did it, chop it off clean guys. But anyways, after even that disaster, him couple years down the line him end up get sugar, you see me, and them have to cut off him foot, you see me, and me and Mr. Garden go pick him up and carry him in place. So guys, I'm done say it already. Yeah man. Brother, we have a lot to give thanks for here, because imagine that elder there, him not have one of him hand and him not have one of him foot. That just, you know, brother, just imagine, you know. Yo, do you bother imagine it, brother? You see it, when you need to just pray to God and ask him for guide and protect on each and every day, brother. May I tell you now, you see me? But yo, with that being said, guys, thanks for watching the video until it ends. You know what I'm saying? Really and truly appreciate. The breeze that blows, so I try to talk loud so you can hear me. But yeah, I really and truly appreciate my loyal and real and true subscribers, you see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? That being said guys, until then, stay tuned to the lifestyle.